Hello everyone, my name is Harish Chandraki and I am here to represent data preparation in data science using Python. Hello everyone, welcome this presentation. We will guide you through the essential steps of data preparation in Python, a crucial process for building reliable and accurate machine learning models, from adding index field to handling missing data. We will cover key techniques that enhance your quality and empower your analysis. Let's move how to be data preparation key steps. First one, adding an index field. Second, changing misleading field values, re-expressing categorical field values, standardizing numeric field. In adding a field, unique identifiers for each row in your data set. In changing misleading values need correction. How to index field work. There are three techniques: import panda, read data, and add index. Start by importing panda libraries, which provide powerful data manipulation tools. Data into data frames, pandas data frame. Use reset index data frame to add new index column to your data frame. Misleading field values using Python. Unique identifiers replace standardized format. We have to move another topic: how to re-express categorical field values using Python. There are three ways: one-shot encoding, second one label encoding, third one original encoding. In first one, one-hot encoding. In this, convert a categorical field into multiple binary columns using one-shot encoding. This represents each categorical as a separate column with one indicating the presence of category and zero indicating its absence. Label encoding: assign unique integers to each category using label encoding. This method replaces categorical values with their corresponding integer equivalents. Use original encoding when categories have or natural values, assigning numerical values that reflects their reflective positions. This approach preserves the category other information of categories. Move on the another topic: how to standardize numerical field values using Python. In these there are three types: mean normalization, z-score scaling, min max scaling. First one, mean normalization: rescale data by subtracting the mean and dividing by the range. This transforms data to scale between 0 and 1. Subtract data. In second one, z0 scale. Subtract that mean and divide by the standardizing deviation. Transform to data standard normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standardized deviation of 1. Third one, min max scheduling: rescale data to range between 0 and 1 by subtracting the minimum values and divide the difference between the mean and max values. This method preserves the relative distance between the two data points. All of these, they have different graphs and different values. We have to understand by the value of the graph green will. Let's move on the another topic: how to identify outliner by using Python. Also three types: First, visual inspection. Second, stand. How to data outliners using Python. First, visual represent infection. Second, static method. Third, domain knowledge in visual inspection. Use visual inspection techniques like box plot and scatter. In static, employ static measure like 0. In domain, you understand the domain to determine whether outliners are truly anonymous or valid data points. Missing data. First one, detection. Second one, imputation. थर्ड, मॉडल बेस्ड imputation. फर्स्ट वन में क्या होगा, रिमूव रोज और कॉलम विथ मिसिंग वैल्यूज out of if the amount of missing data is small, won't significantly impact your analysis. Model based imputation. Use machine learning models to predict